How do you feel when you get targeted leads without spending a dime? With this powerful software that can help you to extract email addresses and phone number from websites, transform your lead generation strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 automated precision targeting and watch your sales soar. By using this software, you can get a targeted lead from any website. You have 2 options: either you make use of keywords research of the niche in which you belong to, or you get the lead from a targeted website like Fora, in which you want to extract the lead so that you can fire the lead by sending the emails to the prospects. Now, these powerful softwares have some great features that make it to be distinctive from other email extractors. At the left hand side there, we have the search engine method in which you can extract leads from ask.com, bing.com, Google. Likewise, you can make extract from Yahoo. These are the search engines in which you can use. As we know that Google have different country search engine, you can make use of either of these country searches. If you want to make it, let's assume you are trying to target, you are trying to get the targeted leads from a particular country. As you can see, this one is international. Just go that to the country in which you want to extract the lead from. Just click on that country. Let's assume I want to extract lead from this Argentina. Now just take this one now along with the one in which we have been taken before, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you by extracting leads internationally. Now, the first thing in which you are expected to do is to come down to where we have this enter keywords. The keywords in which you are searching for, you are expected to enter the keywords. But let me show you, let me try to clear all the one we have here. Click on the clear grid. Yes, now come down, let me clear this list here also, so that I can show you from the beginning how you can make use of this software. Now come down to this search keywords here. Enter the keywords in which you want to search. Let's assume you are into real estate. You can come down there and type real estate. Now you see this forward arrow here. Click on this forward arrow. It will take the keyword from the left hand side to this right hand side here. Let's as under real estate, we have different, you can search for maybe housing. Since housing is the keyword related to real estate, click on this forward arrow here. Now the next thing, after you might have entered the keywords in which you want to use to search for the links online, come down to where we have the search now here. Click on search now. As you can see, a panel is popped up in which you are expected to click on yes to filter by do some settings here under the email, under the let's come to under the phone filtering. Now it means that you are extracting phone number globally, which is any country, since the keywords you enter match the leads in which you want. For example, maybe you are trying to target a certain country, maybe you don't want to extract the information globally. You can come down to, let's look for USA now. This is USA. Click on USA now. These are the cell numbers from USA. These are the country code. You are expected to enter the country code of that country in which you are extracting the lead from. This is for the USA now. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we are going to extract worldwide instead of targeted a certain country. Now come down to where we have all here. Now we are done with the we have the options either to extract line along with the leads, or you want to, if you do want to extract the line, you can just untick here, but if you want to, you just make it ticked. Now come to under the contact type. Now we have different types of information that we can extract using this powerful software. If you want to extract email address along with the phone number, likewise the Skype ID and the fax number, you can tick them. But for this video, we want to extract only email address and phone number. These are the parameters in which you can make use, you can extract using this powerful software. Under the email filtering, come down to email filtering. Now we have don't include email contain words. If you have a certain words that you don't want your emails to contain, you can enter the words here. As you can see, we have scam, spam, all those emails that belong to Ponzi scheme or these porn sites. Maybe you don't want to extract information from those sites, you can enter that certain keywords here. Likewise, you can play along with anything that we have here. Now let's, for the sake of this video, let's click on apply change. Now the next thing is click on yes. The email as you can see now, it has started scraping informations online. You can see we have the phone numbers along with the emails. As you can see, these are the information that is scraping. Within seconds, you can get a targeted list in which you can bombard them with information so that they can buy what you are selling, or you can send a certain information about what your product is all about. Now for the sake of this video, the next thing, let's pause this. Let's click on stop now. Sorry, click on stop. Yes, now we have stopped this software. Okay, the next thing is, one thing about the software, it has a special features to validate information which you have scraped online. Click on validate, click on yes. It will start validate the emails and it will remove the ones that are not okay. As you can see, 0 invalid email address are removed out of 118. It means that all the information that extracted online are valid. We have the phone number and along with the email. But one thing is that let's try to script only email address. If you want to script only email address, can come down to settings here, come down to the contact type and untick the phone number and click on apply changes. Now let's delete everything that you have here. Click okay, come down to search now. It's searching for information about their emails online globally. As you can see now, the software is so massive that have a certain features. Instead of sending or trying to convert your prospects, you can get your lead using this powerful software. This is the first method of making use of this software. The second method is about searching from website. Let's pause this, stop this. Come down to where we have the contact from websites. Now you are expected to enter the websites in which you want to search from, but let's try to look for a forum in which you can get the lead from. Real estate forum. Okay, now this one is Canada. Let's copy it. come down to our software, paste, send forward, click on search. As you can see now, the operation has started since we make use of the fora details by searching for the information. Now, as you can see, these are the emails from the fora. Now, we stop at 18. They will have this one along with you can enter as many as possible websites for you to scrape email address from. If you are a new subscriber, kindly click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friend. If you are one of the subscribers on this channel, kindly share this video to your friends and give it a like. Now the next thing is for you, when you are done with your searches, let's stop this software. Click on stop. Yes, you have the options of saving the information which you have gathered online. Click on save. It asks maybe you want to save only which of the information you want to save. Now we have the options, either maybe you want to save only the email, just untick the others and make it save only the email address. Now click on save. It will ask you where you want your details to save. It will come in an Excel file. Let's say it's real estate leads. Okay, let me save it to my desktop so that I can see. Okay, it has been saved. Let's go to where we have the information. This is the information. Let's open it. You can see that the information is being saved in a proper way. As you can see, these are the contact information that you extracted within seconds. These are the page title, and these are the website that in which you got those leads from. If you want to blast the email, just come down to where we have this and click on Ctrl C to copy only the email. If you want to get the title page along, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, boom. It means that we have their email. You can just make use of this information to your prospect and sell what you want your prospect to buy from you, and you will see your sales. So if you want information about this powerful software, check the description section how to get this powerful software. It's one of the massive software out there that you can help you to get powerful leads, since it has the information how to get both the email address along with the phone numbers, and it can also validate your email so that all those emails that are not valid, they can be removed. As you can see now, it's removed a single email here out of the 37 emails addresses which we have here. As you can see now, we are left with 36. Before it was 37, we are left with 36. Check the description section on how to get this massive and powerful software so that you can use it for your own business. Maybe you are into all this domain arbitraging, which you are selling domains name. You can just get this software, get your prospect and send them information about what you are selling. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friend. I will be expecting your comment at the comment section. I want you to say it is massive so that it can encourage me. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you another powerful software that can help your business. See you in the next video. Bye for now.